It's not Rahul, but what you want to say, film obviously in India is the most powerful communication with the people. And when you're reflecting in a personality which is which is a very political leader, we would like to see that whether it is in the right perspective or reflecting on.
No, but why not? That's my point. Okay,
Why
there is
don't you
this.
let people judge?
No,
Why are you scared? Why are you afraid?
No, not at all, not at all. This is one leader not scared of anything.
No, but there is this reference in this film. Vidwa, from what I figured out, Vidwa ki beti le jayegi vote samet ke. In Hindi.
Let me clarify it.
Maybe
The reference is such that a widow is contesting the election and she gets the support of everybody en masse, and people at tea shops are calling कैसी बात है कि मतलब आज दाढ़ी वाले टीका वाले सब एक ही लाइन में लगे. And there is this chap who says कि total one-sided मामला है भाई, ले जाएगी विधवा सब समेट के. This is said, and in our at the village tea shops or in the areas where people go out to vote, it's a common thing. Like,
what's the problem with that? What's the problem with that? Madhu Gauri asked you to respond to that. So what if somebody is saying that the censor board has asked for this scene to be deleted? Vidwa needs to be taken out because there's an apparent reference to Sonia Gandhi.
Not only
so
that,
what?
Dadhi wale, tika wale, that committee, the revising committee said, no, this you can't say this because it will hurt the sentiment of the Muslims. It's noted. Dadhi wale, tika wale, we are saying it all the time.
You have seen the instance of some publication somewhere in Europe protest in India. So there are sentiments, religious and political sentiment quite
But what
strong
is the
in India.
religious sentiment in Dadhi wale,
Yes,
tika wale?
yes.
And what's
all
the
the
political
options,
or religious
Rahul.
sentiment when it
It's-
says that
it's not
Vidwa le
curtailing
jayegi
his
vote
speech.
samet ke? This is a direct reference in some senses to Sonia Gandhi. That's the apprehension, which is why the dialogue has been chopped off.
He has every option. As a lawyer, I can answer that he has a revision board. He can
He
go
went to the
court,
revision
he
board.
has
I got it overruled by the tribunal overruled it.
Nobody is forcing to curtail his whatever it be. He has
No, but the
options
word
to-
was asked to be changed for the word with. I want to get Manoj Bajpayee into this. Do you believe there is a certain sense of paranoia where the moment a film has political overtures, there's a clampdown? Everybody gets paranoid. It's happened with Andhi, it happened with Kissa Kursi Ka, it's now happening with Rajniti.
It is happening with books. It is happening with shows of theatres. It has been happening in this country since a long time. Though we call ourselves a democratic country, but we don't let the people, exercise their democratic rights. And here I have an opinion. If I have an opinion about something or some incident, I should be free to go ahead and express my opinion or make a film or do a theatre or write a book on it. But yes, there is a prevalent paranoia about it.
You're saying there's a prevalent paranoia. I want to listen to Ranbir Kapoor's views on this.
Well, I think a lot of people today want to show the public a perception and image about themselves. And if in any way they feel that this might hamper it or change it in some way, they want to question it. Which is fair enough because they have put a lot of work behind what they've become today, and they don't want people to be influenced by something which may not be true. So it could be a correct thing, it could be an incorrect thing. Nobody knows the right politics or the right constraints that have gone behind this. These are all speculations. But it's something which is really unanswered, and nobody has an answer or a right opinion about it. It's just different opinion.
No, but if you denigrate any personality, if you decry anything, if you humiliate anybody, there is the law of the land to take care of that, and there are ways and means to, reproach that.
And you really need to, Madhu, stretch your imagination to assume that the reference to Vidwa over here will, according to everyone who watches this film, directly correlate with Sonia Gandhi, and therefore the censor board takes up a scissor and goes chop, chop, chop. What happens to the idea of India? What happens to the right of a filmmaker to say what he wants?
The censor board is an independent body. It's not Congress party.
All the three people who saw it were representatives of the Congress party. One of them works for Sandesh. One of them is your media secretary, and one of them also has affiliations
But the board
with the
is
Congress
not just
party.
consist of those
Those are the people who watched the film and took
They're
the
part of
decisions
the
and went
board
chop, chop, chop.